Hi, welcome to Patricia Delights, and today we are making chicken stuffed potato balls. Okay, we're going to start with adding 3 cups of water to our pot. And we're going to also add a tablespoon of salt and 3 large chopped potatoes. They're the brown baking potatoes. And we're going to let that cook on medium heat until tender. Okay, now that our potatoes are done, and the way you can tell is by taking a fork and just try and pick it up and it just breaks up. I already drained the water off, and now I'm going to put 3 tablespoons of butter and mash that in. And then I'm going to put a teaspoon of onion powder, I'm sorry. And a 1/4 cup of cream. Okay, now that these are mashed, we need to let this cool for a little bit. Our chicken started. Okay, now we're going to start cooking our chicken. I have 2 chicken breasts here that I cut up into pieces. I'm going to add that to our oil. And I have a tablespoon of olive oil in my pan. And I'm going to add some seasoning salt. Just to taste. Black pepper. Onion powder. Garlic powder. A little sage, ground sage. And a little ground nutmeg. And we're going to let the chicken brown for about maybe 20 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes on medium heat. Okay, now that the chicken is done cooking, we're going to add 2 cups of water. Oh, and by the way, the recipe of the exact amounts will be in the inbox. And then I'm putting in 3 tablespoons of finely chopped green bell pepper with the seeds removed, 3 tablespoons of finely chopped white onion, a tablespoon of finely chopped cilantro, and then I have a teaspoon of finely chopped dill. I have a half of a jalapeno, seeds removed and finely chopped. And I have a teaspoon of finely chopped garlic and a juice from 1 lime. Mix that together. Okay, now we're going to let the chicken cook for about simmer about 30 minutes on low medium until the liquid has reduced by half, and we're going to put a lid on it. Okay, now that the meat is finished, as you can see, most of the liquid is gone. I also chopped the meat up a little bit, so whatever liquid was in there, it absorbed it. So that's it. So I made one just so you could see what it looks like. The meat and the cheese is inside the potato. And what we're going to do is after we're done, we're going to put them in the freezer for about an hour and let them get really cold, and then we're going to put it in the flour, put it in the breadcrumbs and egg, and then fry it. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, I have some wax paper here in a bowl. Now you can make them smaller if you wish to. You don't have to make them as big as I did. It just depends on what size bowl you use and so forth. So we're going to put some potato. And then when you put the potato in, you're going to just press it inside the bowl against the wax paper. Just kind of bring it up the side, but you don't want to make it too thin because you don't want the filling to start coming out. Okay, I'm going to put a little meat in. And a little cheese. And this is provolone cheese that I chopped up. And you could put the amount that you wish to put in as far as cheese goes. And then we're going to put more potato on top. Fill it in. And then we're going to use the wax paper to form a ball. Kind of bring it together. Bring it together, then start using your hand, start forming it. That's pretty much it. Okay, I left my potato balls in the freezer for about 2 hours. And now they're pretty stiff, and we can now start dipping and frying. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with putting in the flour first. And then we're going to put in the egg. Kind of a messy job here. And then we're going to put into the breadcrumbs. And as far as the breadcrumbs go, I got the garlic herb. Place in the oil. Okay, These are the finished potato balls stuffed with chicken. And I'm going to cut one open so you can see the inside. This is what it looks like on the inside. You have the chicken and you have the potato with the crust on the outside. Time to taste and see how it came out.
Wow. That's really good.
It was very good.
That's so good. That was damn good.
So, hope you guys can make this. This is a really good dish. If you liked it, please, if you like this video, please subscribe so you can get notification of when I upload another video. And I hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you next time on Patricia Delights. Have a good day.